Hi everyone, I hope your studying is going well. This is a reading of the Gemara on Yud Gimel Amud Aleph. Tani Rabbanan, Kriyat Shema Kichtava, Divrei Rebbe. We learn in a Braita that Kriyat Shema must be said as it is written, and these are the words of Rebbe. The Chachamim Omrim B'chol Lashon, and the Chachamim say Kriyat Shema can be said in any language. Rashi clarifies that the word Kichtava means Lashon HaKodesh. So Rebbe is telling us that we can only say Kriyat Shema in Hebrew. My time under Rebbe, what's Rebbe's reason that Shema can only be said in Hebrew? Amar Kra v'hayu. It says in the Torah, and they shall be. B'havyatan Yehu. Rebbe explains that the word v'hayu tells us that these words of Shema must be said as they are. Therefore, they need to be said in Hebrew. The Rabbanan, my ta'amayhu, and the rabbis, the Chachamim, what's their reason? Amar Kra Shema, the Torah says Shema, b'chol lashon she'ata shomea, in any language that you hear. So since the verse of Shema includes the word Shema, which means hear, the rabbi said you can say this line in any language that you can hear. Ula Rabbi Nami ha-ketiv Shema. And for Rebbe also, behold, the word Shema is written. Rebbe told us the meaning of the word V'hayu, but what does he think the word Shema comes to teach us? Hahu miba'ilei, hashma la'aznecha ma sha'ata motzi mipicha. It is needed for him, for Rebbe, to teach us that you must hear in your ear what comes out of your mouth. When you say Shema, you must be able to hear the words that you're saying. V'Rabbanan sabri lehu, kimayin da'amar, lo hishmiya la'azno yatsa. And Rabbanan, they think, according to the one that says, if you did not hear in your ear the words of Shema, you still fulfill your obligation. Ulu Rabbanan nami ha-ketiv v'hayu. And for the Rabbanan, also, behold, the word v'hayu is written. What do Rabbanan learn from the word v'hayu? Hahu miba'ilahu shelo yikra l'mafreya. This is needed for them, this word of v'hayu is needed for the Rabbanan, so that you will not read the words of Shema out of order. V'Rebbe shelo yikra l'mafreya mina le nafkale. And for Rebbe, the rule that you cannot read Shema out of order, from where does he derive it? From midevarim ha-devarim, from the word devarim, which contains an extra hey before it of ha-devarim. It says in Shema v'ahavta, and then it says v'hayu ha-devarim ha'ila. From this extra hey, Rebbe learns that you cannot say the words of Shema out of order. V'Rabbanan devarim ha-devarim lo darshe. And the rabbis do not derive anything, any lesson or rule from the word ha-devarim.